Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome back for another delicious year of great recipes. If it's your first time here, I'll guarantee you'll love the diversity of yumminess. Every year, I start things off right with a tasty salad recipe like this featured one. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my Egyptian Farro Salad. This is so flavorful. Packed with fresh ingredients, farro, which is a variety of wheat, along with a nice vinaigrette, this is a meal to start the new year on the right foot. So my friends, let's get cooking. The first thing we'll do is to look after the farro. I love this ancient grain, and for some of you who are not familiar with it, I explain more about farro on the blog, so check it out. I'm using the pearled variety, but if you're using the emmer farro, the length of cooking is longer. So once again, there's more info on the site. So we'll give a quick rinse under cold water to remove any powdery residues that might cover the grains after it has been processed. After it's rinsed off, we'll let it drain before dumping it into a medium saucepan. To this, we'll add vegetable broth. You can use water, but there's no taste to it, so the end results will definitely not be the same as mine, alright? Then a couple pinches of sea salt. We'll give a good stir, set the heat on medium-high, and bring to a boil. When it gets there, we'll reduce the heat and let it simmer for 30 minutes or until the farro is tender and the liquid is absorbed. If it's not cooked and the liquid is almost gone, simply add more broth, okay? Meanwhile, we'll go ahead and make a vinaigrette. In a measuring cup, we'll add oil, then red wine vinegar, followed by freshly squeezed lemon juice, a small clove of pressed garlic, I love that kitchen tool, some ground cumin, honey, and if you want a great trick when handling sticky ingredients, click on the top right corner of your screen. We'll also add dried mint leaves, ground coriander, a little bit of ground ginger, and the two usual suspects, ground sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. We'll give a good whisk and set aside for now. Back to the farro. When it's nice and tender, we'll remove it from the heat and drain the grains in a colander. Technically, there shouldn't be much liquid left, but because we'll be using it for our salad, we want to make sure that the farro is drained. Therefore, we'll let it sit for a good 10 minutes, stirring often. Time to assemble the salad. In a large bowl, we'll add arugula leaves, a can of chickpeas, a well-drained farro, then English cucumber, followed by feta cheese, some cherry tomatoes, as well as mixed bell peppers, and red onions. Now, if you decide to go with yellow or white, I suggest you read the blog. We're not done yet. We'll add radishes, pistachios, although you can always substitute almonds or walnuts, fresh chopped parsley, and fresh mint. Not a lot, but enough to give a nice taste to the salad. Look at this. It's a rainbow of yumminess. Awesome. Next, we'll gently toss until the ingredients are nicely mixed and serve immediately with our vinaigrette. And my friends, this is our Egyptian Farro Salad. Incredibly tasty and also very healthy, this amazing salad is certainly a great one to enjoy throughout the year. With fresh ingredients, grains, and legumes, this is a I feel good recipe that deserves to be in your folder.
I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!